Welcome to Office Ace channel. In today's video, you will learn how to clean and organize your data in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. I have a dataset where product names are written in one column, but many of them are spelled incorrectly. If we try to correct them one by one, it will waste a lot of time. Instead, we will use a shortcut. First, select your data range and press Ctrl-H. A small Find and Replace window will pop up. In the first box, type the wrong word, and in the second box, type the correct word, then click OK. Instantly, all the names will be corrected. Next, I want to convert this column into rows. The transpose formula will switch columns into rows, making the data easier to work with. I also want to skip duplicate values, and for this, we can use the unique formula which removes all duplicates automatically. Finally, I want to calculate sales region-wise. For that, I will use the SUMIFS formula, which gives the total sales for each region in just seconds. With these simple tricks, you can clean, organize, and analyze your data quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick Excel tips.